As we saw in our previous video, you can write a full trading strategy with just a simple instruction, and Wizzer generates the complete code for you. Now let's see how easily you can backtest that strategy. All we do is ask Wizzer, backtest an intraday strategy that buys 100 shares of SBIN at 9:30 a.m. and sells them at 3:15 p.m. In seconds, the Copilot generates the entire strategy code for you. And when you hit backtest, since it's a short period, the chart is also compact. You can change the backtesting period with a single instruction. And when you hit backtest again, watch as Copilot instantly brings your strategy to life with the complete backtest view. The performance graph unfolds before you. Along with trades, orders, and positions happening in real time. Once the chart fully forms, the final statistics and order details become visible, giving you absolute clarity on how the strategy performed. Alongside it, you also get an AI-powered backtest analysis report instantly. Inside the report, you'll see clear, specific recommendations, each paired with its expected impact on your strategy. It highlights the strengths of your approach during the test period and points out the areas that can be improved. Finally, it wraps everything up with an overall assessment, your strategy's final grade. And behind the scenes, all of this is powered by the Wizzer Deep Agent. In the upcoming video, we will see that how these recommendations are presented are in an executable format, and you can choose which ones to apply or apply all of them depending on your preference. Meanwhile, Copilot is already working on the second iteration in the background. This is the future of strategy building.
Wizzer, One-Man Hedge Fund.